Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning. So let us start the NMMS missing characters type 2 model problems. Let us start. Yes, the first problem is, here we have two diagrams. In each diagram we have four numbers. Outside this triangle there are three numbers, and inside the triangle there is one number. Here the inner number is somehow related to the outer numbers. So we need to find the relation from the first diagram, and by applying that relation, that logic, that condition, we need to find what should be there in place of this question mark. Here the 81, 16, 9 they are squares. So by seeing should get a flash that 9 is a square, 16 is a square, 81 is a square. So 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 4 square, and 81 can be written as 9 square. Now this 4 is written at the left hand side, this 3 is written at the midpoint, and this 9 is written at this right hand side. So this is the logic followed here. Similarly, let us write 100 as 10 square, 64 as 8 square, and 49 equal to 7 square. So this should be the first number here. So let me write 8, and this should be the middle value. So let me write 10, and this should be the last digit. So let me write 7. So the answer is 8107. 8107 should be there at the middle of this triangle in the place of question mark. Okay, right. So let us move to the second question. Here we have three diagrams. This is first diagram, second diagram, third diagram. So we need to find the relation between. So based on these three numbers, we have to find the relation between the three numbers outside this triangle and the number at the center of this triangle. If the logic is found, it should be applicable to the third diagram also. Then we can apply to the second diagram to find out this question mark value. Okay, so let us start. Here 4 minus 3 equal to 1, and 4 plus 5 equal to 9. This 1 is the first number, this 9 is the second number. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So we get 19. Let us check whether this condition is applicable to the third diagram also or not. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, but here there is 2, so this condition failed. And 5 plus 6 equal to 11, but here we have got 9 only, so this is also wrong. That means this logic we are thinking is not correct. So this is wrong logic. So let us go for the next one. Here 5 into 3 equal to 15. Then plus 4 gives 19. That means we are multiplying these two, then we are adding this number. Okay, so this is one number and we are multiplying 5 and 3, then adding 4, we get 19, and 19 is there at the center. Let us check whether this condition is applicable to the third diagram or not. So 5 into 3 means here 6 into 4. So let me product this. 6 into 4 is equal to 6 4 ja 24. Then let me add this number. Plus 5 equal to 29. So here is 29. That means the logic we are thinking is correct. Then let us apply the same logic to the middle figure. 7 into 5 equal to 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6 equal to 41. So this number here should be, this should be equal to 41. So the answer is 41. Okay, right. So let us go to the next problem. Yes, next question, third question. Here 3 diagrams are given. Here there is one unknown value. That value is to be found. So by first look we can understand that this is a right angle triangle. So the sides of right angle triangle are related by Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So here 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So this is 25, this is equal to 9 plus 16, condition satisfied. So Pythagoras theorem condition is used in this diagram. Let us check whether the second diagram also following the same Pythagoras theorem or not. So 13 square equal to 5 square plus 12 square. 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. So 169 equal to 169. So condition satisfied. That means these diagrams are following Pythagoras theorem. Then applying to the third diagram, 17 square equal to question mark square plus 15 square. So question mark square is equal to 17 square minus 15 square. That is equal to, I will write here, 17 square is 289 and 15 square value is 225, 9 minus 5 4, 8 minus 2 6, 0. So question mark square is equal to 64, question mark equal to 8. So here the answer should be 8. So this is the answer. So the answer is 8. In place of question mark there should be 8. Okay, right. Let us move to the next question. So next, fourth question. Here we have 3 diagrams. Here there is one unknown value that is to be found. Let us find the logic between the first diagram values, and then let us check that condition is satisfied to the second diagram also or not. So here 34 means 5 6 are 5 into 6 equal to 30, then plus 4 equal to 34. So I am doing product between these two values, then I am adding this value. 5 into 6 equal to 30, then on adding the third side 4 we get 34, that is there at the center of this triangle. Now let me check whether this condition is satisfied or not. So 9 6 ja 54 plus 7, 54 plus 7 is equal to 61. Okay. Then let us complete the third diagram. So here is 7 and 5. So 7 into 5 equal to 7 5 are 35, and here we have 6. So plus 6 equal to 41. So here in place of question mark, there should be 41. So in place of this question mark the value should be 41. Okay, right. Let us move to the next question. Right. Fifth question. Again we have got 3 diagrams. In the third diagram one question mark is given. Value for that question mark in place of that question mark is to be found. Let us think of a relation between the numbers. In the first diagram, here in the first diagram 5 4 ja 20, 5 into 4 equal to 20, the 20 is here and this 6 is of no use. Then 7 into 9 is equal to 63, but the 84 and 63 are not equal. That means this logic we are thinking is not correct. So this is wrong logic. So let us go to the next logic. Let us think in a different way. So here various options are to be found. For time saving I am giving the final logic here. 5 into 4 into 6 divided by 6, then 6 gets cancelled, equal to 20. So this is equal here. Similarly 7 into 9 into 8 divided by 6, then 3 3s are 3 2s are 2 4s are. So this is equal to 21 into 4, that is equal to 84. So this is matching. That means the three values are first multiplied, 7, 9 and 8 are multiplied, then divided by 6. So 7 into 9 into 8 divided by 6 is the value at the center. Like that, 9 into 11 into 10 divided by 6. Then 3 3s are 3 2s are 2 5s are. So 11 into 15. This is equal to 11 into 15. That is equal to 15 1s are 15. 15 165. So this question mark here it should be 165. So this is the answer. So 165 is the answer. So in the third diagram, at the center of this triangle, in place of question mark, the value should be 165. Okay. Right. Let us move to the next problem. So this is the problem. Once again, here one unknown value is there. Its value is to be determined. So see here, 107. This 10 and 7. So 10 and then 7. So 10 first, 7 next. So 10 comma 7 or 10 then 7. If this is the case, here it should be 4 first and then 20. It should be 420, but here it is 209. These two are not equal. So this logic is completely wrong. Okay. So let us go to the next logic. So here addition or subtraction or 10 7s are 70, 10 plus 16 plus 16 plus 10 plus 7 equal to 26 plus 7 33, and 33 is nowhere related to this 107. So this is also not useful. Here 16 square equal to 256. This first value is taken. 16 square equal to 256. Then 7 square equal to 49. Then 10 square equal to 100. Then 16 square minus 7 square plus 10 square is equal to 256 minus 49 plus 100. That is equal to 107. So this is satisfying the first diagram. Let us think of the second diagram. Now, 25 square minus of 20 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 625 minus 400 plus 16, that is equal to 625 minus 416, that is equal to 209. 25 minus 16, 9. 600 minus 400, 209. So this is correct. Here it is correct. So we can apply the same rule here. (19 square minus 2 square plus 17 square. 19 square is 19 square value is 361 minus 2 square is 4 and 17 square is 289. This is equal to 361 minus 293, that is equal to 68. So this is the answer. This question mark is equal to 68. This is the answer. Okay, right. Yes. Next problem, 7th problem is, here it looks differently. Inside the triangle there are 3 rooms, and in these 3 rooms 3 numbers are given and they are related to one another by some logic. So based on that logic, which is satisfying the first diagram and also the second diagram, we need to find the value of this question mark in the third diagram. Okay, right. So 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16. Altogether 916. So the left hand side is the square of this number, right hand side is the square of this number. Whether this logic is correct or not, let us check in the second diagram. 2 square equal to 4 and 3 square equal to 9. So this is satisfied. The left hand side value is square of this 2, right hand side value 9 is the square of 3. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So we got 40. Similarly, 1 square is equal to 1 and 1 square equal to 1. So this question mark should be equal to 11. So question mark value equal to 11. So this is the answer. Okay, right. Here again 3 diagrams are there. Here one unknown value is there. We want that value. Here once again 6 square equal to 36 and 3 square equal to 9. 6 square equal to 36, this first value, and this 9 is related to this 3. 6 square equal to 36, 3 square equal to 9. Let us check whether this logic is also applicable to the second diagram or not. 2 square equal to 4, 2 square equal to 4 and 5 square equal to 25. So these numbers are related, these numbers are related. So 2 square equal to 4, 5 square equal to 25 is satisfied. Similarly, 3 square equal to 9 and 9 square equal to 81. So here 3 square and here it is 9 square. So it should be 981. So question mark should be 981. Okay, right. So we have discussed 8 problems in this type 2 missing characters in NMMS missing characters part. Type 2 we have discussed 8 different questions. So in the next period we will discuss the type 3 problems. Okay, right.